What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at this cool 4K camera that I just picked up from Vantop. Going to be one of the best things you can purchase for under 50 bucks this year. Let's check it out. So this camera is going to be a great alternative to that expensive GoPro. This gives you 4K quality at a great price. Let's do a little real estate first. We got our power button up front. We got our shutter button right here. We got a 2-inch screen on the back. This is where we can plug it on, sit it on a tripod. Right here is where our battery and our micro SD card slot are going to be housed. And then over here, you have HDMI out as well as micro USB adapter. Now, using this, you can directly plug this into another device and pull your footage right off of that micro SD card slot that's in there. Looking in our bag that comes with it, you have tons of adapters. I'm not going to go through all these adapters, but then we have a charger right here. You get an extra battery, so you'll always have something on the go. You get a remote for when you want to do this remotely and your camera's away from you and you want to do some skateboarding or play basketball. You get some holders right here, and you also get like these little vinyl Velcro strips and a clip right there. So we'll throw that to the side. Then the case comes with it, so that comes with the purchase. But here we go. Now we're going to do a little bit of video footage just to show you that this video is not shaky. It's going to be great quality. Once you take the video, it's not going to look so good while you're taking it. Once you download the video to whatever device you're going to be using it from, that's when you're going to get the best quality. That's when you get that 4K quality. So remember, this is an action camera. This is meant to be taken hiking, snorkeling, skydiving, anything that you like to do that gets your adrenaline pumping. This is made to do it. Let's put it in the actual case. So this is your protective waterproof case. See how it fits? Just lock it back, and there we go. You can sit this on your shoulder, on your helmet. You can sit this on your bike. You have adapters for all of that in that package right there. In this case, adapters for all of that. These buttons do work, so through your waterproof case you can control your camera. But that's pretty much it, guys. Cool little camera for under 50 bucks. You can go pick this up on the Amazon store. I'll be sure and leave a link below. Remember, you're going to get that great 4K quality at a great price as well. So I hope this is able to help someone. Please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.